Hello student, this is Palla Darbari, your host, and you are watching Palla Darbari classes. In this video we will discuss chapter 3 microeconomics class 11th production function. This is the fourth volume of the chapter production function. In this video we will discuss revenue. Let us see the meaning of revenue. Revenue is the money income for a firm which it receives from the sale of goods and services produced. So what is revenue? The money which is being generated by the firm by the sale of goods produced by the firm. In a very simple word, we can say that revenue refers to sale proceeds or sale receipts. Generally, the firm sells its goods at the price which it covers. Generally, the firm sells its goods at the price which covers its cost of producing the goods along with the margin which is called profit. So revenue generally means cost plus profit. Let us see the type of revenue. There exist mainly three types of revenues which are as follows. Number 1, total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue. Let us see the total revenue. It is defined as the total sale proceeds of a producer by selling corresponding level of output. So what is total revenue? It means the output multiplied by price. So the money which the producer get after selling a unit of output is called total revenue. The formula to calculate the total revenue is price multiplied by quantity of output sold, or TR equal to P multiplied by Q. P multiplied by Q means PQ. Let us see the schedular presentation. Output TR. Remember one thing, we are having two types of the competition, two types of the market. One is called perfect competition and the other one is called imperfect competition. So how many types of the market do we have? We are having two types of market where the goods and services are sold and purchased. The market number 1 is perfect competition and the market number 2 is imperfect competition. I will make a separate video on market, so the concept of the market will be cleared and will be explained to you in detail over there. So till that time, please just note that we are having only two types of market, perfect competition and imperfect competition. Under the perfect competition, the goods will be sold at the same price. There will be no price fluctuation. If we sell 1 unit, even the price will be same. If we sell 2 units, the price will be same. 3, the price will be same. There will be no change. So we can see over here the total cost when the output 1 is 5, when the output 2 is 10, it means 5 multiplied by 2, then 5 multiplied by 3, 15, 5 multiplied by 4, 20 and so on. So the TR increase at a constant rate. The shape of the total revenue curve will be the straight line, upward sloping. As I told you, there are two types of the market. The type 2 is imperfect competition. Under the imperfect competition, the price of the commodity changes. If the producer want to sell more unit of the commodity, he will decrease the price. And we know that there is an inverse relationship between price and demand. If the price decrease, the demand increase. So in order to sell more, what the producers do? They decrease the price. So in the case of the imperfect competition, we will see that the total revenue is not increasing at the constant price. Rather, initially it increase, then becomes same and then it start falling down. So these are the three conditions, situation we see over here. Increase, constant, then decrease. Let us see the graphical presentation. We can say that initially what happens, the total revenue increase. It becomes constant at this very position, then the total revenue start falling down. Remember one thing, the total revenue will never become zero or can become zero, but this is the impossible situation. The total revenue becomes zero when average revenue becomes zero, the price of the commodity becomes zero. Now let us see the average revenue. It is defined as the revenue earned per unit of output sold. It is always equal to price. So what is average revenue? It means it is the money earned by selling a unit of output. If we have to see the formula, we can say average revenue is equal to total revenue divided by quantity. As I told you, two types of the market are there: perfect competition, imperfect competition. In the case of the perfect competition, the price, as I told you, the price is always constant. If we sell 1 unit, even the same price. If we sell 2 units, the price is same. 3 units, the price is same. Remember one thing: average revenue means price per unit. So average revenue and the price both are the same thing. In the case of the perfect, the price is same. Since the price is same, it means it is always being parallel to x-axis. In the case of the imperfect competition, as I told you, the price changes and it will keep on decreasing. Why the average revenue is decreasing? Because if the producer want to sell more, then what the producer will do, they will decrease the price. So in order to sell more, what is happening? The producer is decreasing the price, because of which what is happening, as the quantity increase, the price also start falling down. Because of this, average revenue is having the downward sloping curve. Let us see the meaning of the marginal revenue. Margin revenue is defined as the change in the total revenue due to the sale of one more unit of output. In a very simple word, we can say that the additional money which the producer will get by selling additional unit of output. Its formula is change in total revenue divided by change in total output. As I told you, two types of the situations are there: perfect competition. In the case of the perfect competition, the tabular presentation is like this one. Margin revenue is always equal. Why it is always equal? Because the change in total revenue is same. Margin revenue means change in total revenue. Since that earlier we have seen that in the case of the perfect competition, total revenue is changing at the constant rate. So the margin revenue is constant. So margin revenue is always parallel to x-axis, as we have seen in the case of average revenue. In the case of perfect competition, both average revenue and margin revenue both are equal and collide with each other. In the case of the imperfect competition, the same thing happens. Since there is a fall in the average price, so there is the total revenue will also decrease. Since the total revenue will decrease, what will happen? The margin revenue will decrease, become 0, and finally turns to negative. We can say that initially it is decreasing, then it becomes 0. When it becomes 0, when the output is 4, and thereafter what will happen? The margin revenue becomes negative. Remember one thing: at the point 0, total revenue is maximum, and thereafter what is happening? When it becomes negative, total revenue start falling up. That's all I have in this video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Dear subscribers, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the new video, you get the notification.